This is an update on the Dewalt 20 volt max stuck chuck fix. Now, in the prior video, I took all this apart, realizing after I had gotten it unstuck and then was working on drilling out some holes for a hitch on a truck, it kept on slipping on the drill, and then it just heated up really hot. And basically I guess it just kind of melted all the plastic on the inside of it. And I realized that screw inside of there really doesn't. I thought that the shaft would stay in there and then this part would come off. I didn't seem to do it on this one or the other one. So I ended up taking this chuck out of this DC 940, the old style. I think it's 12 volt, and what you do is you pop it out, and it just there's a little flat part on both sides, and then the shaft's the same size, same diameter. The only thing I had to do was I had to cut the shaft a little bit and then grind off that little beveled area a little bit more, so that I guess it probably would have been okay, but I think I made it about the same size shaft as the one for this DCD 780, and so this metal one works so much better. I've had it doesn't lock so tight that you can't get it undone, and it grabs a whole lot better too. And so that is an update on that.